The finance and accounting industry is one of the most critical sectors in any business, offering numerous career opportunities for professionals skilled in handling financial data, managing budgets, and ensuring regulatory compliance. As the industry continues to grow, competition for finance and accounting jobs can be fierce. Preparing for interviews is crucial for success in landing a job, and understanding the key questions that employers often ask can give candidates an edge. In this video, we will explore the top 10 interview questions you can expect when applying for finance and accounting positions. These questions are designed to assess your technical knowledge, problem-solving abilities, and interpersonal skills, all of which are essential in this field. 1. Can you describe your experience with financial reporting and analysis? One of the most fundamental aspects of finance and accounting is the ability to produce accurate financial reports and analyze data. Interviewers often ask this question to gauge your familiarity with financial statements, such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. It's essential to demonstrate your hands-on experience in preparing and analyzing financial reports, as well as your ability to use accounting software and tools to streamline this process. Highlighting your understanding of financial ratios and key performance indicators, KPIs, will also set you apart. 2. How do you ensure accuracy when managing financial data? Accuracy is paramount in accounting, as even minor errors can have significant consequences. In response to this question, explain the processes and systems you follow to ensure the accuracy of financial data. This may include double-checking your work, using accounting software to automate calculations, or implementing internal controls to prevent mistakes. Additionally, discuss your experience in performing reconciliations and cross-referencing figures to confirm data consistency. 3. What accounting software are you proficient in? In today's digital world, proficiency in accounting software is a key requirement for finance professionals. Employers will want to know what software you are comfortable using and how well you understand its capabilities. Mention any widely used programs such as QuickBooks, Microsoft Excel, SAP, Oracle, or Sage, and provide examples of how you've used these tools to streamline accounting tasks. If you have certifications in specific software, be sure to highlight those as well. 4. How do you handle tight deadlines in accounting or finance? In finance and accounting, deadlines are often tight, especially during month-end or year-end closing periods. Employers ask this question to assess your time management skills and your ability to stay calm under pressure. Explain how you prioritize tasks, break down larger projects into manageable steps, and work efficiently to meet deadlines. Be sure to mention any techniques you use to avoid last-minute stress, such as planning ahead and keeping a detailed schedule. 5. Can you give an example of a complex financial analysis you have performed? Finance professionals often face complex situations that require in-depth analysis to make informed decisions. By asking this question, interviewers want to assess your critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Think of a situation where you analyzed financial data to solve a business problem or provide strategic recommendations. Explain the steps you took, the tools you used, and the outcomes of your analysis. 6. How do you stay up to date with changes in financial regulations and accounting standards? The finance and accounting industry is constantly evolving, with new regulations, standards, and laws being introduced regularly. Employers want to know how you stay informed about these changes to ensure compliance with industry standards. Discuss the resources you use, such as professional organizations, e.g., the AICPA, ACCA, online courses, webinars, or reading industry publications. Mention any certifications or continuing education courses you've taken to stay current with financial regulations. 7. What steps do you take to ensure financial compliance within an organization? Maintaining compliance with local, national, and international regulations is crucial for any financial operation. This question assesses your knowledge of regulatory frameworks, such as the Sarbanes-Oxley Act or International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. Explain how you ensure compliance through proper documentation, regular audits, internal controls, and adherence to legal requirements. Demonstrate your ability to identify potential compliance risks and take proactive steps to mitigate them. 8. How do you manage and mitigate financial risks? Risk management is a critical function of finance professionals, as they need to identify, assess, and mitigate financial risks that could affect the organization's stability. Employers will be looking for evidence of your experience with risk management practices. Discuss the strategies you use to manage risk, such as diversification, hedging, or developing contingency plans. Provide an example of a situation where you successfully mitigated financial risk, demonstrating your proactive approach to safeguarding the organization's financial health. 9. How do you handle disagreements or conflicts in financial decision-making? In finance and accounting, decisions often involve multiple stakeholders, and disagreements may arise. Interviewers ask this question to assess your interpersonal and communication skills. Highlight your ability to navigate conflicts professionally, with an emphasis on collaboration, transparency, and problem-solving. Explain how you work with colleagues to reach a consensus, and provide an example of a time when you handled a conflict effectively. 10. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years in your finance career? Employers ask this question to gauge your long-term career aspirations and whether your goals align with the company's objectives. This is an opportunity to showcase your ambition and dedication to advancing within the finance field. Discuss how you plan to develop your skills, pursue additional certifications, or take on leadership roles within the finance team. Be sure to express your interest in growing with the organization and contributing to its financial success. In conclusion, finance and accounting job interviews can be intense, with employers looking for candidates who possess not only technical expertise but also strong communication, problem-solving, and interpersonal skills. By preparing for the most common interview questions, you can confidently demonstrate your qualifications and readiness for the role. Remember to focus on your experience, technical knowledge, and ability to work collaboratively with others. With the right preparation, you can stand out as a well-rounded candidate and take the next step in your finance career.